Alright, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to cut your legs. So we'll cut these lines with a tenon saw, and you need to have drilled the hole first, and obviously you need to have this marked out. So I'll set this up on my bench hook and clamp it in place so it doesn't move. Use the tenon saw, and the aim is that I'll cut just outside the line. It's going to cut pretty slowly because you're kind of cutting with the grain. Now, as you cut, you need to make sure that you keep your saw blade vertical, as in pointing straight up to the ceiling. I think I'm getting close. All right, we're through. If you have a look at the top there, I cut close to the line, but not quite touching it. Because the last bit, we're going to use the jack plane to plane down to that line. Now I'm just going to use this texture. When we plane, we need to plane from the widest part of the leg down to the narrowest part. So we're going to be planing in that direction. It's basically from the bottom of the leg to the top of the leg. So when we place that in the vise, we need to keep that in mind. Okay, so you've been shown already how to set up the plane, how to check how far the blade's sticking out, and how to adjust. So as we plane, we need to make sure that we're keeping the plane at 90 degrees to the face. So that means we're not tipped over this way or that way too far. And we have to check. So keep an eye on the line so you know where to stop planing. Now when you get close to the line, after you've done a couple of cuts, haven't quite reached the line there, get your tri-square and check. Check to see if you are holding the plane flat. So, where are we? So I've got a little bit of a gap under here. That means when I was planing, I was tipping it too far that way. So I need to consciously twist that plane back. So you make sure you do that before you reach your line. You do those checks. So from what I learned, I need to twist it slightly this way. So just a touch. And do a couple more cuts. Now try to run the cuts through all in one go. Okay, I've done a few more cuts. I'm nearly up my line, so let's check it for square this time. That looks better. So what I was doing that time, I was holding the plane correct. Now you may be able to check this while it's in the vise. I have got a small tri-square, so you can check. And I've nearly reached the line. So I'm not going to complete this in the video because I think the video's gone long enough, but I'm pretty sure you get the idea of what to do. And obviously we need to do the same on the other side. Next video I'll show you how we cut these.